Give me the Benz or the Bentley. What? Give me the Benz or the Bentley. What? Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in Chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the bag at it again. And today I'm about to get slayed by Utopia Beauty Studios from your girl Ebony, and they about to treat me so good. So let's get into it. I'm Ebony. I'll be styling Glam today. I'm very excited, and she brought us this beautiful gift bag with some lovely things inside of it. I'm very excited. I'm going to be using our Blossom George hair product line on her today. Even though she has so much hair, so much beautiful hair at that, I'm still just going to go in with a couple little things and do a scalp analysis on her, just to show her like what's going on with her scalp and just see what's going on with her hair. If it's damaged, which I doubt it, if it's dry, I can direct her down the right path to tell her what products she should be using for her hair today, to get her on a healthy hair growth journey. Alicia, well, I'm just here to observe. No, I'm just kidding. I got this wonderful gift bag. Oh, it's the fancy part. And I'm the Salon's makeup artist, but I'm just here to observe. I'm excited. Yes, she's my baby. I'm nothing without Alicia. We're Utopia Beauty Studios, and we hope that we give you guys a wonderful, wonderful experience. Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. All right. Makeup studio. Oh, I want to see it.
Makeup studio. Oh, this is.
Okay, so I'm gonna come next time with my makeup done. Yes. Oh my God. So this is our makeup studio. This is where like the little girls love to come when they have like their spa parties, because we do rent out for spa parties and stuff. So this is where the little girls love to do TikToks and things like that. Oh yes, this is cute. Yes, you can sit. So that's our little waiting area. To the makeup, you want to take a selfie, or the infamous glitter walls. Like if you look on our page, look at this. You see our glitter walls everywhere, and if you shut the lights on, oh my, it gives this nice iridescent look. When my hair's done, I gotta come in here. Yeah.
This is dope.
It's more. And then back here, this is actually Blossom George headquarters. This is where we package our orders, to send our online orders out and stuff. Also when we put our receptionist desk. And then when we have our parties and stuff, the girls get their nails done. This is our spa. We will be offering wax fall 2020, waxing, microblading, body scrubs. So it's under construction. Yes, Ebony actually does microblade. Okay. And then this is also like another themed area for pictures. Yeah. We have this wall. We have some throne chairs and stuff. And you still get the glam. Yeah. Glam look.
This might be the new shot.
Oh, I'm sitting in it. Yeah, sit in and make yourself comfortable. Okay. Go ahead. Oh. Okay. And that's it. Fixed up. Yes, beautiful. Thank you.
Now this is dope.
I love it. Sometimes we'll just leave the lights on, just leave this light on. Just let it. I think I'll do that today.
Sparkle, sparkle.
Chandelier.
Okay.
Thank you. Look at the flowers.
So with Utopia Beauty Studios, we wanted to give black women luxury. A lot of times as black women, we don't experience the same luxury that white or Hispanic or Asian. And if we do, we have to get charged $500 for service. So what we wanted to do while we chose this neighborhood, actually got her start as a junior stylist over here years ago. And she came back into this neighborhood after working on Wall Street and gaining different experience to bring back into the community, the black community. We do a lot of charity, we work on like dance teams and stuff like that, just for black little girls to know they can.
Right. I love that.
So we hire young girls and stuff as assistants and stuff, and she takes them under the wing and nurtures and teaches them. So that's what we just want to do. We just want black women to know that they are worth it. All women, because you know today I say all women, but
Period.
This is so cute.
yeah. So up here, this is the beauty room. Ebony is a musician, so she likes to highlight her inner self. So she
that's so nice.
Right?
And she sings too.
Yes, you see, that's perfect. She's gonna.
Don't put me on the spot. I don't sing. No.
She usually has her guitar out and stuff, but I think it's at home.
She played the guitar?
Yeah, she has guitar and she has this out and she has like her Beyonce vinyl, Miles Davis. One of her clients actually donated a lot of these albums and stuff. But she just gave the shop a little, you know.
Yeah, it's a nice
No, I'm really digging this though. A lot.
I really love it.
What?
Like, I can see
A
all
lot.
of this on Instagram.
Yeah.
So to see it is really beautiful.
Right.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's like so glamorous, so me.
I'm glad. That's just so you were perfect. Perfect for you.
So honored. Thank you. My hair's a little snaggish.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I washed it. I didn't know. Oh, and this is Versace?
Yeah. So we have a couple different.
You adore it.
You know.
Yes.
Right.
Hi, babe.
What's up, babe?
I'm excited.
Alright.
Okay.
Sis, look at this, babe.
Thank you. This is so sweet. Oh my God. What is that? So Shampoo? that's a rosemary lavender shampoo. It's for maximum hair growth. It's really good. We get a lot of good, we see good results off of it, and we get good word back from it. I'm having a drink. Take my. And then you have your aloe avocado conditioner, and it does have frankincense in it. Frankincense is like the newest oil. A lot of people do not use it. But
Frankincense?
Frankincense is the most potent hair growth serum that you can find. A lot of people don't know or don't talk about frankincense, but it's a good oil to have.
Okay.
Thank you. And then that is called the Haitian Creation.
Oh yes.
So it has Haitian castor oil in it, regular castor oil. It has tea tree. It also has lavender. It has frankincense. It has vitamin E. And it's really good for the hair. So you can use that on your edges.
Yes,
Your
please.
edges, and when you have your passion twist in, you go in between and just put a little bit and rub it.
Oh.
I'm still lying.
No, you can handle it. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I love all these candies. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm about to eat all
Oh my
those
God,
candies.
this is so sweet.
Because for the style that we're doing, we want to have some texture in your hair.
Yes.
I don't want it to be too straight, and then I want it to have texture for when I'm twisting it.
Okay.
So I'm not going to blow dry, but I am going to condition now. So this looks clear, but it's not. This is actually frankincense and coconut. I like it because coconut is a good detangler.
That's what I oil my scalp with, coconut oil and placenta.
Loads of coconut oil is good for your hair. So simple.
I'm excited. Yes.
Look at that length.
It ain't all that. It ain't that long, but it is. Woo. I'm gonna have to get a silk press one day.
Yes, that would be my honor.
And I was looking for a black-owned salon that knows how to do silk presses.
Yes,
And I see that
girl.
you guys do that.
This silk press would be popping.
What, really?
Yes, you
Do
have a
some
lot of hair
layers.
that's long. And it's curly. Yes, you gotta put a lot of coconut oil in your hair. Lots.
Told you.
That's it. Just put the coconut, melt it, and slather it in your hair.
Oh, like the raw coconut.
I have raw
go to
coconut.
when you go grocery
Like Whole
shopping.
Foods.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I get the raw coconut from Trader
Yeah.
Joe's.
Yes. Melt it down, put it right up in your hair.
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has mad long too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can I hear?
Got it.
Okay.
Let me show this. It's finished. Just go on.
You do have a lot of hair, baby.
Yeah, it's pretty long.
A lot of hair and a big old head.
Yep. Alright, what's up, y'all? As you guys can see, I'm looking all slay and laid by Ebony from Utopia Beauty Studios. Y'all need to come down here and get your hair done, period, because the salon is cute. Hello. Customer service is popping. They black owned and they treated your girl like a queen. So, yeah, period.